बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। I am Mrs. Rafqa Nisar Khwaja. You are watching the YouTube channel The Way of Paradise. I want to discuss the religion of Islam. Today the topic of 5 pillars of Islam. The basis of the Islamic teaching and the way of life are various obligatory acts of the worship, ibadat, that are often referred to as the 5 pillars of Islam. Number 1, Shahadat. Number 2, Salat. Number 3, Som. Number 4, Zakat. Number 5, Hajj. Shahadat means declaration that none deserve to be worshipped except Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his slave and apostle. Salat mean the prescribed prayers 5 times a day. Som, fasting during the month of Ramadan. Zakat, obligatory charity, helping the needy by giving alms. Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca if and when circumstances permit. Just as the pillar bear the burden of the building, these principles, according to the teaching of the Prophet, peace be upon him, are the basis of the piety and of the virtuous worldly life. The Prophet, peace be upon him, has taught that the only difference between the individual is the extent of their piety and not their color or the social status that they enjoy in this world. The purpose of the Islamic worship is to strengthen the Muslim's faith and the sense of submission to Allah, to discipline a Muslim for his role as Allah's faithful servant and vicegerent on earth, and to reinforce the ties of brotherhood and affections among the Muslims. These acts of worship requires the participation of all the aspects of a man's nature: his soul, his mind, his feeling, his body, his time, his energy, and his possessions. They demand the worship of Allah with all the faculties of an individual. For example, the declarations of the faith is to be always present in the mind and heart of the Muslims, and is to be the uttered again and again with the tongue during his daily prayers. Prayers are to be performed 5 times a day. Every day of a man's life, fasting is for a full month every year, while a zakat or poor dues is to be paid once yearly, and a pilgrimage is to be performed once in a lifetime if possible. These aspects of Islamic worship and the total involvement of our human beings make them extremely unique. They are a complete expressions of a man's dependence and submissions of Allah, with his humility before his Creator and his desire to serve and obey his alone. In these religious institutions, there is a punctuality, regularity, orderliness, uniformity, and an exhibition of the complete equality. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new updates, and give your precious opinion in the comment box. Thank you.